Well, I got my fists out.
You're just so mad or at your job. Gosh, clocking in again. Just punching the sinks. Just so mad. I walked into the bathroom, both just punching sinks. I said, all right, I gotta go.
Why are we in hazmat?
Oh, you picked up the trophy.
This is supposed to be Saw, so do we have to like figure out based on the Saw film? So we have to figure out a way out of here.
I found it.
Did you? Oh, okay. So we could leave. Does it start the game? I wasn't sure if we needed like some special, you know.
No, 100%. That's what you would think. It's just like I found the way out. The front door.
These movies, this is a lot more difficult in the movies. I guess it just starts the game. Yep. Now here it is. Oh. You said make your choice.
Okay, is this gas?
Red key, yellow key, blue key.
It doesn't really say anything specific, just the color. Okay.
Maybe there's like a fourth key somewhere. Maybe we gotta each chop off a part of
maybe
our
this
finger.
is the three. Maybe this is the three endings I was talking about. You just pick one, and I guess it. Just start. I make noise now when I punch.
Yep.
All right, what key we thinking?
Eeny, meeny, miny. I don't know. You just do one of those.
I'll do the yellow since we're wearing yellow suits.
Oh.
Hello, I want to play a game. The tower that you find yourself in reflects your spiraling hunger for entertainment. You take pleasure in watching others suffer through your twisted labyrinths, but today, you will be the one tested. Reach the top of the spiral staircase and earn your redemption. Let the game begin.
Hey, what's good, Jigsaw?
Oh, dang, these zombies kind of strong already. Oh, what's this? 500, the MSMC.
I love how the weapon just says fist
Really?
on the bottom right.
Oh, on the side. What's that sound? Is that dumb?
Purchase ammo,
I think it is,
SMR,
oh no, the SMR. Nah,
missing
bro.
parts.
Okay, this first door is 1,000.
Power's not on. Here, grab it. You didn't already.
Oh my gosh.
Ow.
Yeah, they're a little strong. Oh!
Get in door.
I gotta go.
Door here is
Gotta
2,000. I'm
go.
guessing it's a perk or something. Ammo thing. Next door is 1,500.
Okay. I don't like how this dude's just laughing down here.
Random baby.
He's just,
I didn't even hear
mocking me.
the Saw's dialogue. He was
Missing
talking a bunch of
parts?
nonsense. I'll take a little bit extra. Nice.
What was that? Double? Nice.
Oh, what did you
Later,
say?
stinky. He said, later, stinky butt. You gonna be punching him for a while, bro.
Yeah, bro, I need a gun. I don't want to grab those down there, though. Infinite ammo. I got infinite fists.
No cockback time. Just.
Alright, crazy moves.
Is this open at least? The quick revive? Oh no, let's turn on power. Bro, there's no power. Is this? Oh no.
Max ammo, bet. Yeah, reload more fists.
If Fist had ammo.
I get more fingers.
I only got one punch left, man.
Whoa. Okay, time for a weapon.
This. Oh, actually, let me open this door and then hopefully another gun pops up for you. And then we have this, which is 2,000 for that door. But
Like a perk, something.
That's ammo. Yeah, let me open this first.
Yeah.
What's that? Is that something? No.
Another $1,000 door. What's this up here?
Oh, it was double tap.
MPL.
But we don't have power. How are we supposed to?
Oh, you paid the 2,000.
Yeah, but I don't know how we turn on power.
Guess I'm buying the MPL because I can't survive anymore like this.
Oh, who's this?
To the boss?
Oh my gosh. It's
Oh,
a
the
big
goat,
guy or
the
something.
pig, whatever.
I mean, is this where it ends? Okay.
We're not going down.
Genuinely. You can take it too. Oh, we both get it. Nice.
I didn't. Oh,
Okay,
I did.
that's awesome.
It just doesn't make the noise.
Yours doesn't? That's weird. It could just be
Oh,
the
it
gun.
does. Yeah. Look at my fist out, see what happened.
This is 2,000 as well, but again, I'm afraid to. Like, what's the point of opening it if there's no power? Like,
Yeah, I
missing
mean,
something.
I'm guessing we'll get it eventually, and then we get to come back down or something.
Yeah, unless it's like halfway and then we have to come back.
Or we have to build it, because there is a wall thing down there that was like, oh, you need parts.
Yeah, it said missing parts. Later, hater.
All right, I'm opening next there.
Yeah, I wouldn't know. All right, just keep moving then.
How much higher? It's not that bad. Kind of. 2,500.
Actually, it's terrible.
Yeah, we're gonna be here all night.
That's 2,000, so probably all the doors are 2,000. This is 2,500. I just have enough. I'll try to. Oh, Saul's coming up on his bike, bro.
Hey, you got him? Oh no, I see him.
All right, he's on his bike, bro. He's coming slowly, but oh my
Jesus.
gosh, that scared me, bro.
Try and get that time warp.
That, yeah.
Oh, almost fell.
Oh, that was weird.
Perfect timing too. I ran out of ammo.
Now I'm gonna start punching them. Yeah. Huss.
What? Oh, because the wonder weapon, it costs 10,000 to refill. Damn.
Die. Oh, I can alternate. Left hook, right hook. Oh, did we just get Jug? I think we just got a perk.
I
At
didn't.
least I did.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
They fighting back. Yeah, I just got Jug, I think. That's cool. At least, yeah, that was actually couldn't be a more perfect perk to get. All right. I'll open this next one.
I got electric
Hopefully.
chair. It's in the bottom of my screen. I thought it was on the left.
This is 2,000
Get a
again.
new weapon case? What's that?
And what's this? Oh, the
Bro,
model.
what? Guess I'm taking it.
Yeah.
Baka. 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 Think. Think. Think.
Saul's coming up again.
Of course he is.
Oh, it's another one.
Jigsaw?
Bro, how he just... Yeah, I see another one right here on the bottom of me.
Bro was just eating my shots, bro.
Oh, we have infinite ammo. I was like, wait, why can't I reload? There's a nuke down there. Oh, that scared me.
Bro, jump
All right,
here.
I'm gonna open this up. It's 2,000. Everything's 2,000. Let me just read this to make sure. Oh, that's just telling you the different types. Okay.
Where'd all my money
Oh, 3,500. Cannot afford.
I got it.
Guess I'll get the model. Or maybe I'll wait to see what the next one is. Let's see.
What's this up here? Is it a part? MP, the cheese gun.
The cheese gun.
What it's
Cheese.
called.
I might need that cheese. Need that cheddar.
Tank's running dry.
Oh, yeah. It's cheesy.
Here we go. Here we go.
It ain't easy
Fighting
being
back.
cheesy.
Stop.
Oh.
Okay, yeah, hold up. That man was moving. It was a little too easy for him.
X.
Dang. Prices are getting a little steep.
That's 4,000 now, I think.
4,000, a little too much for me.
Also, don't want to fall. I'm like hugging
Yeah,
this wall.
There's been times where there's been power-ups and I'm like, can I like cut it a little bit and drop down? I'm like, nah, bro. If I do that and miss, I'm gonna be so mad at myself.
That drop.
It also says something about blood is supposed to be rising, but nothing's there. I don't know why.
Guess we're good. Oh, Saw again.
Get him! Take cheese! Okay, this dude needs to die. Okay, hold up. Hold up.
He can't get close.
That is it!
You almost killed me.
Bro. Yeah, if I didn't have Jug, I would have been cooked. Oh, there's another one.
I see him.
Okay, this time I won't let him get close. He's like, he drives so slow, but somehow he's so fast.
He's moving. He's deceptively fast.
I don't know how he's doing it. One pedal's like 8 feet.
Oh, we gotta start cheesing him. There we go.
There you go. I'll wait for that. Is that your? Yeah, oh, it is. It's the clip. It's just on the floor, and I'm like, is that just a bar of cheese? Bro, how much further, bro? What was this? 45. Okay. Part of me wants to.
What
just
is
open
that?
this immediately.
Pig man.
Oh yeah, we might need to.
I'm going down. There's a zombie at your feet. What is this?
He really like.
Oh, pack a punch. Use Carl. Ooh, I almost walked off.
Oh, I'm actually almost out of bullets out of this.
That's like
not
10
good.
grand.
What the heck is this? Turn on power. Is power in one of these doors? I just thought about that.
It might be at this point.
Oh my
Grab that
gosh.
shot.
What was that? Was that? Oh, that was a perk. Okay.
Oh, come on.
I don't have enough. Okay.
Oh, I took the power part, so we gotta go back downstairs with it. I don't know if we have it all yet, but that was one of them.
Okay. Yeah. Me saying, okay, we don't need to open these now. We're about to run. Oh, wow. This is actually not good. I have no ammo. Okay, this is nuclear cola. It's not
Is that
good.
a part or is that just
Okay.
that's a hand?
I don't have enough money for any of these anymore.
Oh, it's a Jigsaw. Is it just a joke? I just spent 2 grand to look at
Jump behind
Jigsaw.
you. We might need to just go back to the top and then like, you know, let's just get back to the top at least and then.
Wait for a time warp or something.
Please!
Oh,
Brother. That one zombie just did not let me go. Alright, hopefully. I'm gonna just stop him. No. Stop. Don't do it, guys.
wait.
Watch it.
No, stop. Don't do it.
How do they spawn behind me?
Yeah, just keep going. We're almost around to the top. Of course, there's no power-ups this time. As soon as we need it.
Who's that?
Oh.
Perk.
Get what you can, man.
Was that double tap?
Yeah.
Almost
That's
out of
good.
freaking ammo.
Ooh. The ammo's just like 2 rotations. Oh, I'm back.
Nice.
I have 1500. I guess I need to get this.
To use this.
Can't even buy ammo because it's so expensive.
No, not again.
We can't even move any further.
Yeah. Get him, partner.
I'm your Huckleberry. Aye. Get a bigger clip. Ah, time warp.
GG's, man. Please, Victor,
I'm getting pushed, man. I'm getting pushed.
No!
Oh my goodness.
All right, got everything secure up here. Do you have a crawler? Okay, no, it's done. Okay, no problem. Let me make this.
Come on up. Grab quick revive if you want, but get out of there.
Yep, that's what I'm doing, yep. I'm coming right up now.
Ugh. This drink was good enough to where they made a machine for it. Ugh.
I already have double tap, okay. Oh, I already have jug. I don't know if you want to try to come down and grab that.
So far, but I got Juggernog, so I'm gonna go for it. Yeah. Which one is it?
Should be that one close by.
Hey.
Oh, I need the speed cola.
Did you pass it already?
No, I didn't pass it.
Oh.
So it should be, yeah.
I went too far.
It should be.
Nice.
There we go. Perfect. All right, yeah.
I can't.
Get you.
I am surrounded. Oh, I'm on a roll.
Why is my thing not activating? There we go.
Up right there, brother.
I really have
Oh, I don't have enough bullets. Or not bullets, yeah. Money for that.
5,000 to move on.
no. You keep coming, I'll keep killing.
Nope. Not sneaking up on me.
You're getting a bit handsy. Stop it.
What is this? Nuka-Cola? What is it? Gives immunity to explosive damage, and enemies may drop caps when slain. What?
It's a cap.
I don't know. It may drop caps. I don't know. I don't, to be honest, I don't think I want that. Get out of me way. Okay. Can't really even see the, what's it called? The blood. But we definitely start getting money.
Oh, it's the clip. I just realized. I saw the block of cheese you were talking about. That's some string cheese.
String cheese. Oh, I'm gonna try that.
Back up, please.
Whoa, what the?
Yeah, no extra juice to him.
Yeah, bro.
I'm gonna need some more bullets here soon. Keep on coming, zombie.
Oh, nice. Stop it.
Much appreciated.
I hear him. Jeez,
how's the
that
blood
radius
doing?
is
Okay.
crazy. Bro, we took zombies out from like 3 stories down.
I opened.
Okay, cool.
Teddy bear.
6,000? It just dropped. It just went up a whole extra 1,000. Not even 500. Bro, we need double points. Double points and max ammo. That's all I need.
Not gonna give it to us.
Nice. Spawn. Okay, there's no spawn behind us, so we can keep going. It's a time warp. 3,000. What is this? Ooh, triples the amount of points earned per kill.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh. It's 3,000.
I think it's
That's what I was gonna say. Like, I think within this like next round, like we can make that back so much,
Yeah.
so easily.
Backing it back on a nice hot summer day. Oh, I'm on a
Yeah, look, I already got 6,000. Like, I had 4,000, instantly jumped up 2,000.
Biggie.
You're cooked. Oh wait. Okay, now you can get it.
I need some bullets here.
There we go. Cheese Carl. Gives it a sight is actually crazy.
Carl. We gotta move.
Yeah.
I bought.
Okay. It's just a TV.
What?
That's in the next door over here is just a room with a TV.
Door 7,000.
There's a picture of a dog. Dang, that zombie just came out to me. Oh my gosh, this thing is... Oh, I turned the TV on. It's just all...
Oh.
The Scar. Ooh. It's a good gun.
Oh, they got the Scar up there?
Yes, the next gun. Or that one that you just passed.
Scar H or the Scar
That's
L?
Mule kick.
Regular Scar, no letter.
Alright, this is 8,000.
Almost there.
Oh my gosh, bro. I'm looking up and I'm like, bro, what the heck? Bro, how did this blood catch up to us so fast?
Yeah, it's a good thing we bought that perk.
Yeah, it would be impossible without it. You can buy next if you want.
Mm-hmm.
Just one here. Check him.
This week, the pea shooter, aka the Thompson. Next door is 10 grand.
Alright, I'm buying. Okay. Stamina ups. The next perk. Yeah, I will come up. That blood's getting close.
Yep, I was trying to get as many headshots as I could.
I didn't see how much the next one was.
Probably 11. Yep. Oh, there's a trophy
Kill this
right above
guy.
you. Smiley thing.
I'll just shoot it.
Now you grab it.
No, I had it.
Buying.
Bruh.
M60 is up here. 13,000 is the next door. They went up by 2 grand.
Please.
Yeah, I can't buy that door.
I'll let you kill.
This one I can, but that other one
I'll let you kill for this round.
Keep on coming, zombies.
Fortunately, all I have is ammo for this. But
I want to
it's
buy the
okay.
M60 then.
Do I have? No, I don't have meal cake.
Got the
Now
chicken
I have
wing.
meal cake. We're saved.
Lock.
Chicken wing, do your thing. Okay, let me.
What's a guy gonna do to get some ammo around here?
Please.
Rounded. Keep coming. I'll keep killing.
How much did it ask for again?
13 grand.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Just buying this now so we have room.
The spawn behind you. I see the end. I'm gonna purposely not shoot so you can get enough money. Unless you absolutely need me to.
What gonna do to get some ammo around
Yeah.
here?
Try to kill these guys first before hitting Saul. Okay. Oh, there was one more. Oh, well. Oh my gosh, this thing is... Oh, I think we're dead. I think we're dead. Yeah, I think we're cooked.
Oh man.
Brother, like... Is it just a case that you just gotta save and not even, like, start power?
Well, there's no...
Like, we
there's-
can't even see them spawn.
Yeah.
Like, it's impossible. We're cooked.
Reminds me of Star Wars.
Oh, no!
So, can I jump around it? Come on. Something.
Brother.
Last door is 20,000.
Okay.
The Jigsaw hanging on some spring. Hold behind.
You didn't get affected. Alright, now we did.
Out.
Get that max. Oh. Come on, where are you? Oh, it's already... Okay. What's this gun? Oh, just hidden blade.
The heck?
And that one's out of his mind. Ammo's almost out. Careful not to lose your head.
Haha. What the heck?
Excuse
We're
me.
really just hanging.
Ay. 20. And one over here, bud. Gonna run across this.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
you're still alive.
We didn't get all the pieces, fortunately.
Freaking bullets here.
This is the maze part.
Not you. None of our work.
What is this? Like a generator thing here.
Still spawning. It sticks together.
Does this thing like fill up or something? No, it doesn't. Okay. I don't know what it does. This is just ammo still. Okay. Well, what's this? It's a door, but it doesn't tell me anything.
Whoa.
Hitting a bit envy. Stop it.
Okay. Oh, there's still jigsaws that are riding around.
I don't know what I'm supposed to be looking for.
Oh, neither do I. All I know is that door was there, but I don't understand.
Yeah, we have to click on the generators.
Oh, you have to click on them?
Yeah.
Watch it.
Oh my gosh, there's so many zombies behind.
Well, loser.
My goodness gracious.
Nice.
Okay, cool.
The mystery box. That one's running.
All the bells and whistles.
That one's running. One more missing. This one.
Thank you, Box. I really appreciate it. This is just too fun.
Oh, whoa, I'm red screen. Holy schmoly, don't hit me, please. Okay. I'm right behind you.
Watch it.
Whoa. I'm split up a bit.
Hey,
Ow, 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 ow.
Stop now, please. Stop.
Oh.
Now.
I'm dead. I'm dead.
Oh, that's so annoying. Let's try to leave a crawler. That'd be a smart idea.
I mean, would that work? Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, because I think it's still going like ground-based. Let's just pay attention to the zombies.
You're getting a bit handsy.
Oh wow, of
Stop it.
course that happened. Okay, I think it was the last two. Yeah. That one's right.
Oh, they're all done.
Oh, all right. Oh,
Good night. Goodness gracious.
oh, brother.
Then go down to that last part. That was Saw Bloodlust. I never want to see this map again. Thank you guys for watching. It is almost 2 in the morning. We'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace.